To link Crypto.com to DeFi wallet, follow these steps. First, ensure you have a Crypto.com account and a DeFi wallet. If you don't have a DeFi wallet, download and install the DeFi wallet app from the official website. Open the Crypto.com app and navigate to the Accounts section. Click on the Link Accounts option and select DeFi wallet from the list of available wallets. You will be redirected to the DeFi wallet website where you will need to enter your DeFi wallet address. Copy your DeFi wallet address and paste it into the Crypto.com app. Confirm that you want to link your DeFi wallet to Crypto.com. You will receive a confirmation email from Crypto.com once the linking process is complete. Next, open the DeFi wallet app and navigate to the Settings section. Click on the Connect to Exchange option and select Crypto.com from the list of available exchanges. You will be prompted to enter your Crypto.com API key. To obtain your Crypto.com API key, log into your Crypto.com account and navigate to the API section. Click on the Generate API key option and follow the instructions to create a new API key. Copy the API key and paste it into the DeFi wallet app. Confirm that you want to connect your Crypto.com account to DeFi wallet. You will receive a confirmation notification from DeFi wallet once the connection is established. Your Crypto.com account is now linked to your DeFi wallet, allowing you to easily transfer funds between the two platforms. It is essential to note that when linking your Crypto.com account to DeFi wallet, you should only use the official Crypto.com and DeFi wallet websites and apps to avoid any potential security risks. Additionally, make sure to keep your API key and DeFi wallet address secure to prevent unauthorized access to your accounts.